Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Paleo Low Carb Kate. Today we are going to be making honey mustard chicken with potatoes using the Instant Pot. If you're new to my channel, thank you very much for watching and you're welcome. If you're returning to my channel and you've watched my other videos, I'm glad for the support. Thank you very much. It goes a long way. This recipe is very easy as with most Instant Pot recipes, and it uses readily available ingredients which you most likely have in your pantry or kitchen, or which you can easily find at your local supermarkets or stores. I've also shared a printable recipe on my website paleo-lowcarbkate.com. Start by making the honey mustard marinade. Combine honey mustard, apple cider, honey, and some minced garlic. As always, you don't have to marinate the chicken, but I would advise you to do so for at least 15 to 30 minutes if pressed for time. For best results, marinate overnight. Next, proceed to give everything a good mix. You can use a spatula or a whisk. Add some olive oil or your preferred choice of cooking oil. I'm just giving this a good mix. Looks pretty good. Finally, add some salt. You may want to be a bit careful with the salt since mustard already has salt. Also be using some curry powder, which gives the dish a bit of warmth, and some dried oregano and fresh herb. I did use coconut yogurt to keep it paleo compliant, but you can also use regular yogurt. I'm going to start by searing the chicken breast. That helps lock in the flavor as well as give it a nice brown color. Don't be alarmed about the bits sticking onto the pot. We are going to deglaze this later. And you can also use other vegetables such as carrots, turnips if you prefer. I've just added in the vegetables and now I'm going to add some stock to deglaze the pot. Next, I'm going to give this a good mix, making sure to get all the juicy brown flavor sticking at the bottom. I'm also adding whatever's left in the bowl we used to marinate the chicken. No wasting here. Behind the chicken breast, previously reserved honey mustard marinade and a bit of water to lighten up the sauce. Finally, allow this to pressure cook for about 8 minutes. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this easy and healthy Instant Pot honey mustard chicken recipe with potatoes. Also, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.